us music ministry workshop for the past years already. But itong klaseng workshop na ginawa natin ngayon, this is the first run. And dito natin ginawa sa Mother of Divine Grace Marriage. So, kung meron pa kayong like suggestions or whatever, pakibahagi nyo lang po sa atin through the link na sa ating monitor. Okay. Pangalawa, please, so this year, Hangad is celebrating our 35 years in the ministry. So, as part of, actually, yung pagpunta namin dito is part of our 35 years na celebration. So, to know more about our activities, kung ano man yung mga gagawin namin, kung meron magbagong voice guides na ibigay, kung meron mga bagong piyesta o bagong mga songs na ipapublish ang Hangad, please do follow us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, IG. Sino naman dito ang naka-follow? Patingin niya. Konti pa, nakakahat. Okay? Pa-search ka lang po sa Facebook, search Hangad Music Ministry or Hangad. Okay? And if you want to listen to